Hi guys, welcome back to How to Maximize. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix account warning on TikTok. So basically, you have to just go to your TikTok mobile application here, and on the bottom right side corner, you can see the profile. So just click on the profile. Then you have to click on the top three lines, which is on top right side corner. And here, just go to the setting and privacy. You have to scroll a little bit down and click report a problem, right? And it will take a very few seconds just to load, so kindly wait patiently here. And basically we have to click on this account and profile, and after clicking on the account and profile you will find the option which is you have to just go to the profile page, or you can just go here, and on the bottom you will find option that is called others. So just click on the other, and here it will take again it will load for a few seconds, and basically you have to click on no and just click on need more help, and here it will redirect to your box where you have to fill all the information regarding your account, right? So basically you have to type hello, here you have to type hello TikTok team, a warning is coming to my account. I'm sorry for my mistake. At first I did not understand the rules. I hope such mistake will not happen again. Please review my account and help me. Then you have to type your username, your email address, and after that you have to attach this screenshot and just click on submit. So this is it guys. After just in 24 hours, TikTok team will contact you through your email address, and they will try to fix your problem as soon as possible. So this is it. If you found this video really useful, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.